Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Even Hotel Seattle DTWN Lake Union, an IHG hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Set in the South Lake Union district of Seattle, Even Hotel Seattle, South Lake Union provides rooms with free Wi-Fi and fitness kits. The property is located 0.7 miles from Space Needle. Seattle Center is 0.8 miles from the property. At the hotel, every room has a desk, a flat-screen TV and a private bathroom. At Even Hotel Seattle, all rooms are equipped with a seating area. Certain units feature an in-room stationary bike. An American breakfast is available daily at the property. Staff at the 24-hour front desk can help guests with any queries that they may have. Pike Place Market is 1.1 miles from the accommodations. Sea-Tac Airport is 12 miles away. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.